Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about roadside emergency kits and things that you should carry in your vehicle just in case you end up in a situation that's not so good. Although we try to keep vehicles running all the time and in good order, and if you have them serviced regularly, they lots of times will never leave you alongside the road. But if you do get stuck in a situation, there are some items you may want to have with you. Let's start on this side. One is the old school jumper cables. If you accidentally leave something on inside the vehicle and run the battery down, the car won't start, you can obviously get another vehicle owner to help you with jump starting your vehicle. But even better is today's new booster packs. You can keep these charged. Usually they'll stay charged up to 6 months, and you can jump start your vehicle yourself if you do have a problem. So these are always great to keep in the car, not to mention they can do other things like charge your phone battery, etc. if need be. Boy, I tell you what, flat tires these days. Can of Fix-A-Flat is not a bad idea to have, along with an air pump, etc. We also want to have ourselves a safety kit, some triangles in case you get stuck alongside the road, gloves, flashlight, and a fire extinguisher is always a really great thing to have with your vehicle.
For more automotive news and helpful tips, join the Automan next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, you can always listen to Auto Talk Radio every Saturday morning at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB radio.